Hey everybody, back with another video. Today we will be unboxing the iPad Air 4th generation, the iPad 8th generation, and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So, I think we should start out with the 8th gen iPad. This is a 32 gigabyte Wi-Fi model in space gray. So let's just cut the seal here. Okay, so now let's just lift some plastic. Just lift the box up. There we go. Okay, so here is the iPad itself. And then this is all the paperwork. I don't think I have to go through that. And then the charger cable and the charging brick. Okay, so I adjusted the camera angle a little bit so you can hopefully see it a little bit better. So let's take this plastic off. Okay. So there is the iPad 8th generation unboxing. Now I will just power it on. Oh, it's already dirty. Okay, I'll set that aside for now. Okay, so first let's unbox the Apple Pencil, and then I will do the actual iPad. Okay, so there's all of the wrapping. And then this one I think slides out. Yeah, here we go. So this just says designed in Apple by California. Designed by Apple in California. And then here is the pencil, again wrapped in plastic. You can just take that off. And there is my Apple Pencil. Now this is the main event, the most expensive thing out of all of it. So let's get this open. Okay, and now lift it up. Okay, so again, this is the actual device, the iPad Air in sky blue. This one is 64 gigabytes in Wi-Fi. Then again with this one, we have our paperwork, and our charging cable, and our charging brick. Okay, so now let's take the wrapping off of this device. Wow, I mean, this color, I've heard of people that do not like this color because it's not as prominent as like the iPhone XR was, but I like it personally. So let's power this one on. Okay, and now while that one's turning on, I'm going to set up the other one. Okay, so now this one is ready. So here is the normal iPad, 8th generation. Now onto my favorite, the iPad Air 4. So right now it is asking me to set up Touch ID, which is now on the top button. Okay, so there's the second one. A passcode I'll do off camera. And here's my new iPad. So I just want to thank everybody for watching this quick video. I figured I'd make it since I had both devices. Oh, actually, wait, no. We forgot about the Apple Pencil. Okay, so I will put that on the side of the iPad, and it sees the Apple Pencil. And now it's going to ask me to do the scribble features. So we will continue. Try scribble. Okay. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Wow, it was pretty good. Okay. Double tap. Okay. Wow, okay, so here's the new iPad Air 4th generation, sky blue. And the new iPad 8th generation in space gray. Again, thank you for watching this video.